Okay, students and parents who are using Chromebooks, the best thing to do when you know you're going to Zoom that day is to just log in from the beginning. At the beginning of the day, go ahead and make sure you're logged into Zoom. So the way that you do that is, first things first, let's make sure we have the app installed. So I'm going to click down on my shelf and do a search for Zoom. I do not see the actual little blue icon popping up. You see a couple of different things here that are called Zoom. It's wanting to take me to the website of Zoom, which is zoom.us. But since it's not there, I'm just going to do a Google search for the Chrome Web Store. There's lots of ways to do this, but this is just a great way if you forget where to go. You can always Google it. And the next thing you want to do is click on Apps and search for the Zoom app. It's an actual app that can be installed on a Chromebook. And sometimes it'll work and install for you, and sometimes if it doesn't, that's okay too. You can always use the website for Zoom. So earlier it switched to extensions. Make sure you click on apps, and this is the one we want. It's offered by zoom.us. So we're going to add this to Chrome, not the extension. We want to add the app. I see it in the lower right corner. It's downloading, and that is the app. So let's say tomorrow I don't have it open. I don't have anything open. I'm closed. I'm on my desktop of my Chromebook, and I don't see it on the shelf. That's this lower portion. I can just click in the lower left corner to search for it. Of course, there it is. But when I click search, I am actually looking for that icon, which is the app. When I click on it, I know the app is installed and open because I see a small white horizontal line below the app that's running. If I click over to Chrome, that's Chrome that's running. You see the little line switching over. So first things first, we want to sign in at the beginning of every day. The way that we do that here in Keller is we sign in with our Google account. Keller already has an account for you. There's no need to create one. The reason you want to sign in is so your teachers will see that you're connected to our organization, you're not a stranger, it's safe to let you in past the waiting room into an actual session. So you're going to sign into your account if it doesn't pull up automatically. Once you're signed in, you'll see your avatar in the top left corner and your name, which is great because when it's time to join the meeting, even if it's a little later in the day, you're signed in, your teacher's going to know who you are and that you're safe to let in. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is join a meeting. So there's so many different ways to join a meeting. If you have the ID and the password, you can enter it here. You can go to wherever your teacher has hosted that information. Maybe it's Seesaw, Google Classroom, or Canvas, or widely used LMSs, or maybe it's even in an email. Whichever way you want to go for that link is completely fine.